Hello everyone and welcome to the another video. So today we will be looking what are the soft skills required for a pharma company. So there can be different skills like technical skills, soft skills which are required for a pharma company. So technical skills we have already seen in our previous videos. So today we will be seeing soft skills which are very mandatory or very required for a pharma company for personal growth or professional growth. So let us see the main skills required. So first of all is communication skills, right? So whichever company you work, either in a pharma company, either in IT company, finance department, or you work in any commercial team. So communication skill is very important. So first is verbal communication, ability to express thoughts clearly and concisely during meetings, presentation, and discussions with colleagues, clients, and regulatory bodies, right? So whenever you are discussing with any client, right, or your colleagues or regulatory bodies, so whatever we want to state, we have to give that message very clearly and precisely. It should not be like that we need to prolong that message for a long time just to complete the time period given, or just to engage the clients or the stakeholders, right? We should not do in that way. We should communicate in the very proper way, very concisely, so that it goes a very clear message to them. Written communications, proficiency in writing reports, emails, documentation, and regulatory submissions with clarity and precision. So whenever we are writing a report or whenever we are doing a documentation work in the pharmaceutical company, it should be very properly communicated, right? If we do not communicate properly and if we do not communicate or report the results properly, then it will be ambiguity or it will be a issue of the data integrity between us. So we should be very careful whenever we are writing an email. We should address those persons properly and we should state what we mean to say and what they have asked to us. So that should be done in very proper way. Written communication, listening skills, this skills is very important, I would say, in the personal life and in the professional also, right? Because it is say we should listen before speaking. So right, actively listening to understand and respond appropriately to colleagues, clients, and team members. So whenever we are responding to them, we should first listen and then respond to them, right? Next is time management. Time management is very important, either say in the personal life or in the professional life, right? If we are not maintaining our time or if we are not managing our time, then we cannot say that we will grow for a long period in our career or in our personal life. So we should always keep that in our mind. So first is prioritization. We need to prioritize what task we are doing and which is the most important, right? There could be some instances, right, important but not urgent, and there could be some moment like urgent but not important. So we need to segregate between them and we need to identify, right? Organization, as I said, we need to organize between important and urgent, and then urgent and important. Efficiency, streamlining processes to optimize productivity and reduce time wastage. So whenever we are doing any work, we need to always keep in mind that we need to reduce the time wastage and increase the productivity without compromising with the quality. We cannot compromise with the quality at any cost in the pharmaceutical industry. Next is teamwork. This is very important while working in a team or while working in any company, right? So collaboration, working effectively within multidisciplinary teams, which may include R&D scientists, QC departments, regulatory affairs, or marketing. So if say suppose you are a QC scientist, right? So you can work with regulatory affairs, you can work with QA authorities, you can work with finance department, you can also work with maintenance department, you can also work with other R&D scientists, you can work with plant or QC scientists, right? So there should be always collaboration between all of us. We cannot say that okay, we are working in one team, so we will not help to other teams or we are not going to collaborate with them. We cannot say that at any cost, right? If you say this, then you may got fired from the company. Conflict resolution, managing and resolving conflicts amicably, ensuring the team's productivity and harmony. So whenever you are working with these many teams, 5-6 teams, right, then there are chances that there are conflicts between each other. So conflicts may arise, that is okay, there is no issue in arising the conflict, but we need to address those conflicts in a proper way and we need to settle down that as soon as possible. We did not need to arise the conflict at any cost. We need to decrease that conflict and settle the matter as soon as possible. Empathy means understanding and being considerate of the perspectives and need of the team members. So whenever there is a team of the team members requires you, or whenever there is requirement of any work, they require some help, or there is some shortage of bandwidth, we need to be sure, we need to be ready to help them, because that's why that's what the mutual understanding happens between the team members and between the interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary teams. Problem solving skills. While working in a pharmaceutical industry or analytical team, problem solving skills is very important, right? Because there are always chances that new issues are arise, new issues daily new issues are arise. So we need to be very mindful, very thought productive, or we need to be problem solving skills kind of guy. Those guy can progress in the pharmaceutical industry a lot. So problem solving skills. Analytical thinking, ability to assess complex situations, identify issues, and develop effective solutions, as I mentioned. For instance, resolving formulation issues and troubleshooting equipment malfunctions. So you should be not like that. Suppose you have given SOP or STP you have got, and you will do just blindly whatever it says. So whenever we are working in a pharma company, we need to be very mindful of what is the reason of doing, why we are doing that, and whenever a problem arises, we need to be very mindful and very creative to overcome that issues, overcome that problem, right? And next is creative thinking, innovation in developing new drug formulations or improving existing processes. So as I said, we need to be very thoughtful of increasing the productivity and increasing the drug formulations or processes or methods in a pharmaceutical company. So that's how our professional life can grow a lot. Decision making informed decisions based on data analysis and risk assessment, often under time constraints. So we need to take very quick decisions, very quick but correct decisions. So we need to, there could be chances that time is less, but we have to take a proper decision in respect of many people, or in respect of some processes or some method or some regulatory bodies. So we need to be very proactive, and we should be very confident of whatever decision we are taking, and that should go in the positive direction, because negative direction, if it goes, it can cause a loss to the company, and you may also get a lot of scoldings, or you can get a lot of mishits from the managers. Next is interpersonal skills. So this is very important for your personal life as well, and personal growth as well, to build a relationship between different colleagues, different departments, different stakeholders, different clients. So right, developing and maintaining positive relationships and colleagues, clients, and suppliers and regulatory. So we should never say no to the clients or regulatory authorities without any reason. We should have a logical and valid reason to say no whenever we are doing any work. We need to be think about the company, not about ourselves. And we need to first talk to our manager if we are going to say anything no. So that's how a good relationship is between different clients, stakeholders, different departments. Networking, connecting with professionals within and outside the industry to exchange knowledge, gain insights, and explore opportunities. Right, networking is very important. Negotiation skills. So we should be aware of what is the negotiation going on, and we should negotiate it at full scale. And as you can see here, negotiation, skill, agreement, business, compromise, discussion. Right, it can go in this way: discussion, compromise, business, agreement, skill. In either way you can go this. So if we are negotiating in a very good deal, then our managers will be happy, our team will be happy, overall our company will be benefited, and you can grow a lot. So this is all about my video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Share with your friends. If you like to have some other topics video, please do let me in the comment box. Thank you.